Is there a code of ethics for educators? Have you ever wondered what guides educators in their daily interactions with students and colleagues? The question of whether there is a code of ethics for educators is essential to understanding the standards that shape the education profession. Education ethics involves principles that guide how educators should behave and make decisions. These principles are meant to uphold the integrity and dignity of teaching, ensuring that educators act responsibly, respectfully, and fairly. Yes, there are indeed codes of ethics for educators. These codes can vary depending on the region or country, but they generally outline the ethical standards expected from educators. They cover several key areas. First, educators have a responsibility to their profession. This means they should maintain high standards of conduct, often going beyond what the law requires. They need to keep student information confidential, respect their colleagues, and contribute positively to the profession's growth. Another important aspect is professional competence. Educators must commit to ongoing learning and development. This ensures they have the knowledge and skills necessary to effectively teach and support their students. They are expected to stay updated with the latest educational practices and theories. The responsibility to students is perhaps the most critical part of these ethical codes. Educators must treat students with dignity and respect. This includes creating a safe and supportive learning environment, setting appropriate boundaries, and prioritizing the health and well-being of their students. These ethical codes have practical applications in everyday educational settings. They guide decision-making, helping educators make choices that align with professional standards. This ensures that their actions benefit students and the entire educational community. Additionally, having clear ethical guidelines holds educators accountable for their actions, which helps maintain public trust in the education system. From a philosophical ethics perspective, particularly contractarianism, the Code of Ethics for Educators can be viewed as a social contract. This contract outlines the expectations and responsibilities educators must fulfill to maintain trust and integrity in their profession. It highlights the importance of mutual respect, fairness, and responsibility in the educational relationship. Incorporating these ethical principles into educational practices not only supports the moral development of students but also ensures that educators maintain professionalism and integrity. So, the next time you think about the role of educators, remember that they are guided by a code of ethics that shapes their actions and decisions every day.